When it comes to choosing the right crypto exchange, this can often be difficult and overwhelming. That's why today I'm going to be talking to you about an exchange that's been around since 2011 and they're still operating very strongly, very securely, and honestly, it's one of the best exchanges on the market. Today, we're going to be talking about BTCC. This is an exchange that's been around for a while, but they just do everything right. So without further ado, this is not financial advice, but let's jump in to the world of BTCC. So this is BTCC, and the best way to explain this exchange is they're just one of the best out there, and just from a liquidity, risk management, or hack standpoint, these guys are squeaky clean. There's been no problems here over the 10 plus years that they've been operating, and they have fantastic features all over this exchange. For example, you can do futures trading with 250x leverage, and they do have a copy trading feature as well, where essentially you would just find a trader that's performing well, assign some money to that trader, and then when they take a trade, you're instantly going to execute that trade as well. Now, this trader isn't going to have access to your funds or anything like that. It's all a system on the back end that just basically copies his trades. If he makes money, you make money, etc. And you can do this with multiple traders. You can find good traders, you can find bad traders, but it's very, very easy to find and analyze traders to basically find which ones are performing the best and the easiest way that you can make money. You can see these two traders, for example, this guy made 30% over the past month. This guy made 28% over the past month, and you can see that they've got a decent amount of followers all copying their trades. So that's just a couple of the features of BTCC. They've obviously got futures and a beautiful trading UI that you can use as you wish, just like other exchanges. So you're not going to feel too foreign on this exchange. It is going to feel comfortable and you're going to be able to execute trades very, very easily. Now, these guys are obviously a crypto exchange, but they're not limited to crypto. And what does that actually mean? Well, you can actually trade stocks, you can trade Forex, and you can trade crypto all in one place here on the BTCC exchange. And the way they've done this is actually tokenized different assets by buying them and then keeping them in reserve and then having them backed one-to-one on their exchange, allowing people to basically trade stocks or Forex or commodities directly on their crypto exchange in a crypto format. So if I wanted to go and buy GBP USDT here, I could do so very, very easily with this platform. You can see here in the top right, GBP USDT, which is basically a tokenized version of GBP. And if I wanted to trade this on 20x or higher, I can do so here on the right. Now, the same thing applies here if we are looking at tokenized stocks or commodities. You've got Dow Jones here, okay? You've got the German 30, you've got the UK 100, SPX 500, and you can even trade gold directly on this exchange as well. So in terms of being a trader and having access to different commodities, Forex, and different trading instruments, you could do everything exactly as you wish right here on the BTCC exchange. And the reason why this is good is it's all in one place, it's all at your fingertips. And if you were trading normally with Forex or commodities, you're probably going to have to go to a broker, you're probably going to have to go to different places. You can do everything here very, very easily. And the best part about this exchange is it's no KYC. So you can just get set up, deposit, and start trading right away. Whereas normal exchanges, you'd probably have to use a VPN to use them, or you would have to complete KYC, which could be a massive problem when it comes to just having the freedom to trade as you would want to as a trader. Now, in terms of a welcome bonus, these guys actually offer up to $10,000 in USDT as a welcome just by completing a few tasks such as registering, depositing, and trading a little bit of volume. Once you've done that, you can get access to this massive amount of money in trading vouchers. This is going to be great, obviously, if your strategy to make money is to obviously just hop around the exchanges, claim the bonuses. This is a great way to go. And I will say, since I got onto this exchange, guys, I haven't actually left it. This is one of the best exchanges out there just because you've got access to the Forex, the commodities, and you've got access to as high as 500x leverage. So in terms of everything here, really, really good stuff across the board here from BTCC. Definitely check them out in the description. But that's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.